Strictly bitch, she don't play around. Cover much ground, keep game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away, I can't get it out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash. That's when it comes to the cash. By no means average, if only she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in, can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got the bag it later. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got the bag. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got the bag it later, girl. I like the way you work it, no diggity. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound. Baby, never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is to know, let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the verb, love as it comes so free with you. Rolling with the fatness, you don't even know what the half is. You got to pay to pay, just for shorty bang bang to look your way. Oh, I like the way you work it, drum tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind, baby, in time. Baby, I can get you in my ride. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got the bag it later. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got the bag. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got the bag it later, girl. I like the way you work it, no diggity. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, man, girl, looking good. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. You're my kind of girl. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo.
Let's learn Diggity Swinging. It's choreographed by Tim Johnson. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Diggity Swinging. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. As you step forward with your left, you want to slightly open your hips to the right, because this is going to bring us into a half turning sailor with a heel. So to start our half turning sailor, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot back and behind your left. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to place your right heel forward. We're now going to do a ball step, so we're going to bring our right foot in and next to our left, and then step forward with your left foot. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, quickly step our right foot to the right side, and place your left heel into the diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do ball walk forward, so we're going to quickly bring that left foot in and next to our right, do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your right foot. This step forward is a prep, because we're going to go into a half and a quarter turn. So we're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. You're going to cross your left over your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, quickly stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step your left foot slightly to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished with our heel. You're going to do your ball walk. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're gonna do a ball eighth turn. So we're gonna quickly bring that right foot in and next to our left. You're gonna make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot into the 130 diagonal. You're now gonna step forward with your right. We're gonna do a left mambo step, rocking that left foot forward, recover back onto your right, and then step back with your left. We're now gonna make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 730. You're now gonna make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to return to 130. And then we're gonna do a half shuffle, turning over our right shoulder. You're gonna make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left foot next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face the 730 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our cross back side. Weights on your left, you're facing 3 o'clock. You're gonna do your ball eighth turn. So it's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a ball step sweep. So we're gonna bring that left foot quickly in and next to our right. You're gonna step your right foot slightly forward, and as you step forward, you're gonna sweep your left from back to front. You're now gonna cross your left over your right, step back with your right foot remaining into the 730 diagonal. You're now gonna step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. At this point, we're still facing that 730 diagonal. You're now gonna make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to do a lock step forward, stepping our left foot forward, bringing your right foot in and behind your left, step forward with your left, and then you're gonna brush your right foot forward. And that is the end of the dance. This brush will put you right into your step forward for 1. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our right foot. We just finished our shuffle into the 730 diagonal. You're gonna do your ball step sweep. So it's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and ready to start all over with your step forward. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, half sailor with a heel, ball step, quarter, behind side, heel, ball, walk, walk, step, half, quarter, cross, quarter, side, ball eighth, walk, walk, mambo step, half, shuffle forward, ball step sweep, cross, back, ball, cross, eighth, back, side, lock step with a brush. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and ready to start the next wall. Now, the dance doesn't need an ending because it naturally finishes facing 12 o'clock on a brush and a step forward. So at that point, you'll be facing 12 o'clock at the end of the song, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now we're gonna go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, half sailor with a heel, ball step, quarter, behind side, heel, ball, walk, walk, step, half, quarter, cross, quarter, side, ball, eighth, walk, walk, mambo step, half, shuffle forward, ball step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross, eighth, side, lock step, forward, brush, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and walk. Walk, half sailor with a heel, ball step, quarter, behind side, heel, ball, walk, walk, step, half, quarter, cross, quarter, side, ball, eighth, walk, walk, mambo step, half, shuffle forward, ball step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross, eighth, side, lockstep, forward brush, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Diggity Swinging. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, she don't play around. Cover much ground, keep game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day.